So remember these shoes that I bought a couple of months ago from Temu? I've been using them for walking and they are really comfortable and I'm enjoying them so much. The only problem is because they are white, I've had to wash them a few times. Look how dirty they keep getting. So I found this on Temu. It is the exact same shoe minus one or two things in black. So let's take a look at them. Let's get them out. Okay, so here you go. See, they're pretty much the same. As you can see, they got the same lines, except this says AO Plus and this says Sports. But other than that, it's the exact same shoe and it doesn't have that word over there. Show you the underneath. Look at the underneath. Also the same. So these are just basically black and they won't get dirty so quickly, which I'm excited about.